Hello everybody, how are you today? I'm great.
I am excellent.
Good. So remember the story that we read on the last class?
It was the Magic Rainbow, right?
Yes. It was the part 1 only, right? Today, kids, we are going to read the part 2 of the Magic Rainbow.
Alright, but first, let's remember the part 1 of the story.
Yes.
Alright? So here on the first picture, what do we have here?
We have some tents. Look, a blue tent, purple tent, yellow tent, pink tent, right? We have a dry lake, lago seco, né, pessoal? A dry lake, dry trees. The sun is shining.
And it's very
Hot.
right?
And inside of the blue tent, we have a book fair.
Book fair.
It's a book fair. Remember, Miss Carla?
Yes.
Feira de livros in English is book fair.
Book fair. And the Megan and Paul. Megan and Paul, they were looking for a book.
Yes, they were looking for a book. And look, students, this old man here with yellow socks, what does he have on his hands?
He has a book.
Yes, it's a book, right? It's a purple book, and the name of this book is The Kingdom of Waters, right? Então, students, let's review. Megan and Paul, they were looking for a book about water, sobre water.
Mas, Miss Julie, será por que eles estão procurando, looking for a book about water?
Because, Miss Carla, the city, look, is dry. Dry, right?
So,
It doesn't rain. Não chove lá.
Miss Julie, when they open the book, what happened when they open the book?
When they open the book, they are in a magic world. Okay? They are suddenly, de repente, they are riding a dragon.
Dragon.
A purple dragon. And this dragon, it takes Megan and Paul to a kingdom, a magic kingdom. Okay? Do you remember what is a kingdom?
It's reino.
Yes. So kids, how can I say reino in English?
Kingdom.
Very good. So this was the part 1 of the story. Now let's read the part 2. Okay, look at the pictures. Miss Carla, what can we see in the first picture?
I see a purple dragon.
A big, enormous purple dragon.
I see an island.
Island. So look, kids, how can I say ilha in English?
Island.
Island.
All right. I see some water.
Yes.
And I see a large blue lake.
Ah, that's true.
I see an enormous house.
Enormous house.
Very big house.
Yes, it's yellow with a red roof.
Yes.
Right.
And a big door.
Yes. Okay. Alright, so look there in the picture. Megan and Paul, they are riding the dragon, right? Scala, we can see an enormous house. We can see a purple dragon, some unicorns, fruits and plants, right? But we know that this is an island, uma ilha, certo? Island. What's the name of this island, Miss Carla?
The name of the island is the Kingdom of Waters.
Great, so that's it. So here we are in the Kingdom of Waters. So we know that on every kingdom we have a king. Certo, pessoal? Em todo kingdom there is a king, rei. Who is this king, Miss Carla?
The king is the old man from the book fair. Do you remember?
Yes. So remember, students, in the first part, the part 1 of the story, que havia old man que deu book para Megan and Paul? He is the king.
Remember that he disappeared?
Yes. And now, suddenly, he's in the kingdom.
All right.
Okay. Now, students, look. Is he wearing yellow socks? What is he wearing?
He is wearing an elegant robes.
Yes, and look on his head. What is it?
It's a gold crown.
Very good. So look, it's a golden crown. Very beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, but that's okay. Now Megan and Paul are in the kingdom, but they are a little concerned. Pouco preocupados, certo? What is their concern?
Será que como eles vão voltar para casa?
How are they going to return home?
With the dragon?
Maybe, I don't know. But in this part of the story, we only know, a gente só sabe que they are in the kingdom and the king says, let me give you a tour of my home. Então, a gente pode concluir que eles foram fazer tour no kingdom, right? Lá no reino with the king.
Alright. And what happened next, Miss Julie?
What happens? I don't know, but we're going to see it only on the unit 2, okay?
Part 3?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now we're going to listen to the story, alright?
And then we're going to do the exercise. Pay attention to the story.
Okay?
Episode 1, Part 2.
"Welcome to the Kingdom of Waters," says the dragon. The dragon is flying toward a large blue lake. In the middle of the lake, there is an island with an enormous house. There are gardens with flowers and fruit trees around it. "What's that?" Megan asks, pointing downward. "It's the king's island," says the dragon. There are people working in the gardens, collecting baskets of fruit. Horses pull carts of strawberries and apples. "Look!" shouts Paul. "Those aren't horses. They're unicorns." The dragon lands in a field near the king's house. "Come with me," says the dragon. The kids follow the dragon to the doors of the great house. 2 guards open the heavy wooden doors. Inside, they can see the king. He looks familiar. "It's the old man from the book fair," Megan whispers to Paul. It is the old man, but now he's wearing elegant robes and has a gold crown on his head. "Thank you, Amedra," says the king. "Welcome, children. Please come in. It's almost time for lunch." The dragon bows to the king and leaves. Megan and Paul look out of the window and see the dragon flying away. Megan whispers to Paul, "How do we get home now?" Paul shrugs his shoulders. The king smiles kindly at them and says, "Let me give you a tour of my home."
Now that you heard the story, let's do the exercises.
Okay. Number 4. Circle true or false according to the test. Okay?
Ok. So, aqui, pessoal, conforme a gente for falando, você pausa o vídeo e vai marcando a sua resposta para depois a gente corrigindo, ok?
Alright.
Right, let's go.
Number 1. Paul and Megan fly on a dragon to the kingdom of waters.
True or false, kids? Let's go to number 2. They see horses pulling carts of fruit. Students, remember, horses or unicorns?
True or false? Number 3. Amidra invites the children into the house.
True or false? Was it Amidra or was it the king?
Number 4.
The old man from the book fair is the king. True or false?
Number 5. The dragon eats lunch with the kids and the king.
Is it true or false? Now, agora que você fez todo o exercício, let's correct together. Let's go.
Alright, number 1. Paul and Megan fly on a dragon to the kingdom of water.
True. It's true, right?
Right?
Number 2. They see horses pulling carts of fruit. Is it true or false?
False is the unicorn.
Yes, they see unicorns pulling carts of fruit. It's not horses, okay?
Number 3.
Amidra invites the children into the house. Kids, it's false. Why is it false, Miss Carol?
It was the king that invites the children into the house.
Yes.
The king, not the dragon.
Okay. Number 4. The old man from the book fair is the king. That's true, right, kids?
True.
He is the king.
Alright. Number 5. The dragon eats lunch with the kids and the king. True or false?
It's false, right? We don't have this information. A gente não viu essa informação no texto, não foi? So it's false.
Alright. Now the third part we're going to see on Unit 2. Alright?
That's it. A big kiss for you and bye-bye.
Bye bye.